Here's how I sliced this flexible vase. This yellow vase was printed in silk PLA. It provides a shiny look. This one was printed in black Polyterra PLA. The ridge is in fact a row of almost circles. Let's have a quick look at this. It consists of a profile with overlapping circles. The sides are flexible, but the bottom is not. Let's have a look at how I sliced this in Simplify 3D. In vase mode, the number of top layers must be set to 0. The 8 bottom layers make the bottom firm. Vase mode was turned on by checking this box. The outline will be printed in one single spiral move. The slicing behavior must be set to merge all boundaries. Normally it's set to positive fill. This is how that looks in vase mode. There will be 2 outline walls, which is not what you want. Let's change the setting to merge all boundaries. There's only 1 outline wall now, which is how it works in vase mode. You can also print this vase without vase mode. Merge all boundaries needs to be disabled. Let's change it back to the default positive fill. Now you will get a very sturdy vase, but it will take much longer to print. This sturdy one will take around 5 hours instead of 3 hours and 40 minutes. The vases in this video were both printed in vase mode. This one will replace the metal vase you may have seen in my other videos. Also check out my design and engineering channel where I post many tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.